Hello everyone, we are from Group 10. Let us introduce ourselves first. Hello, my name is Muhammad Faizu.
My name is Ilham Syahbali.
My name is Rafina Silva.
My name is Garis Definition Noviansyah. My name is Mutiara Shiva Putri.
Today we are trying present oral facts about laboratory activity. I hope you enjoy our performance and learn something from it. Thank you. Good morning guys, are you ready for today laboratory practice?
Good morning, I am ready. We are usually practice nursing skill here every week.
That's true. Our lecturer always teach us carefully in this library.
Hello guys.
Hello. Muti, why do you bring notebook?
Because I want to write important from the That's good idea. We study money and nursing procedure in this.
Okay everyone, what are you doing now?
I'm checking the patient simulator right now.
Great! Ilham, can you help us prepare the equipment?
Sure, Alice and I arranging the medical instrument on the table now.
Okay.
Yes, and we are preparing the injection tools too.
Muti, are you listening from the lecture?
Yes, I am listening careful and writing notes now.
Do you enjoy laboratory activities, guys?
Laboratory practice help us become better nurse. I agree.
Because we learned how to work together as team, laboratory activities are interesting and useful for us.